Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last video, we covered up to pattern number 27. Now we are going to discuss about pattern number 28. What is this pattern? Same like this I want. Okay, but now I want to invert this. That means in the next row, I need to get stars like this. Okay, in the next row, I need to get stars like this. In the next row, I need to get a stars like this. So we know these kind of patterns already we discussed, right? Just we have to reverse the process. Just we have to reverse the process. Sir, what we are going to do already, we have the previous program, that is this one. So in this example, we printed the stars from 1 to 6. Now what we have to do? You need to print from 6 to 1, right? You need to print from 6 to 1. So 6, I will take 0. Step value is -1. Now see what will happen. We are getting or not, but extra one row is coming. So actually it will print that row. But if you don't want this extra one row, what you can do? Instead of starting from 6, better to start from 5. So that what will happen? You are going to get a full-fledged pattern like this. This is the way, sir, how we can able to develop this pattern. I think you people got very clear clarity about this, right? Remaining things we will cover in our next videos. Okay, yeah, thank you, sir.